Want to hide anything on the desktop version of your website using Elementor? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a few simple steps. But before we dive into the process, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if it helps you out. Open your browser and log in to the back end of your WordPress-based website. From the left-hand menu, click on Pages and then All Pages. Choose the page you want to edit. I'm using the home page as an example, and click Edit with Elementor. Once the editor loads, make sure you're viewing in desktop mode, as that's the default view. Click on the element you want to hide. I'm selecting the Order Now button. In the left panel, go to the Advanced tab and scroll down to find the Responsive section. You'll see three toggles: Hide on Desktop, Hide on Tablet Portrait, and Hide on Mobile Portrait. Just toggle on Hide on Desktop, and that element will disappear from the desktop view while staying visible on tablet and mobile. Don't forget to hit Publish in the top right corner to save your changes. Now, when you preview your site, the element will be hidden on desktop but still show up on smaller screens. You can use the same method to hide any section: buttons, headings, images, anything. Plus, if you want to unhide those things, just follow the same process and toggle off the Hide on Desktop button. That's it. Remember, every pro designer starts with the right tools. Elementor is mine, and it could be yours too. Use the link below and kickstart your creative journey. If this helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.